Hey, how you doing, guys?
Hello, hello.
I tell you what, I've just spent a day with this awesome lady. Seriously, when I say this lady is awesome, this Suzanne Burton, she is damn good. You know what? There are few people who are at the top of the tree, at the top of their game, and operate at what I call serious expert authority level. And I tell you what, Suzanne Burton is in that class.
Oh, thank you.
I have known her for a couple of years. I've seen her on stage before because she's actually presented alongside me on stage. But to see somebody present an all-day workshop flawlessly, and you know, you can tell that this woman has got her game sorted out, and her knowledge, her expertise level is unbelievable. Honestly, you know what? Damn good. There isn't an attendee here today who hasn't left without some serious growth strategies. If you want to lift your game, raise your game when it comes to business strategy and branding, you cannot find anyone better.
Oh, wow.
I've been blown away.
Oh, wow. That means a lot, especially coming from you.
Thank you, thank
the
you.
expert. Thank you so much. And, you know, it's about also coming together in a place where you've got like-minded people, rather than sat there on your sofa and procrastinating and over-analysing about everything what you should or shouldn't do. Just go and get the right strategy, go and get the right advice, or join one of my workshops or one of Shukeel's workshops. But it's really important is to start with the ideas. What do I want from life? Because seriously, don't settle for mediocre. You've got way too much potential to sit there and wonder and look at how life goes by, because seriously, there's too much to life to let it go past. And it's amazing to be in business, to be serving other people. So if you have a business idea, or if you feel like you've got a lot of potential, just do something about it and start with your strengths, start with your own talent and what you feel passionate about, and people will be drawn to you. I love training.
You know what, aren't these amazing words of inspiration? And you know what, it's brilliant when you've got somebody who's not only extremely knowledgeable as a subject matter in their expert, but who has a heart filled with passion and is really genuinely powerful and inspirational. You know what, I often say there are not that many, I don't come across many women trainers who come across with immense power, and there is a gap there. But you know what, this lady has power in abundance. She is highly, highly charged, and it's always a pleasure for me to hear Suzanne speak. And what I'm going to do, when I have one of my own events, you are one of my book speakers, because I know she's going to blow the audience away. You're going to have to wait for an event that I feature Suzanne on.
Yes, let's do that.
We will definitely do that. We'll definitely do that.
So watch this space, thank you.
Definitely. And I tell you what, follow Suzanne Burton. Yeah, I've tagged her name in this post. Have a look at what she does. I promise you, there are things that she does in the services that she provides that you'll be blown away. There will be stuff that she does that will raise your game. Yeah, like she said, seek advice from the experts. Don't think you know it all. It's very easy to get stuck where you are. And you know what? There's a lot of people who are stuck at various levels of success. You can be stuck at a low level of success, and you can also be stuck at a high level of success. But never. And the thing is, when
there's always potential for more, isn't there?
Absolutely.
We always want more. Yeah. Whatever level you've achieved, you always want a little bit more and a little bit more, because you see that you can, and that there are people needing you.
But I tell you what, the unique thing about today was several of the speakers who are her co-speakers are actually featured speakers who have been trained by Suzanne, and their progress is phenomenal. So you've actually proven what you didn't just deliver a training or a workshop, you actually shown the evidence with real life people who've shown their before and after results, and it is phenomenal. And for me, you know, there is nothing more than being able to demonstrate your credibility.
Wow.
Yeah.
I feel so humbled.
So there it goes. I have spoken. I've said it. Yeah, this lady is awesome.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Shukeel.
Take care, guys.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Shukeel.